Good evening to all of you. Today I want to discuss the secret of healthy and energetic life. How we remain healthy and energetic for a long time. Really, it is the matter of discussion. It is the needful things which are required, which are needed by all of us. Almost all the peoples are in fear about the disease, harassment, tiredness, tension, and many more problems like this. How we can handle these types of the problem very easily without affecting our health and energy. Nowadays, what we see all around us, by doing a simple things, people say that I am very tired. I am not able to do anything more. These types of statement, these types of speech, these types of things are spoken almost by all of us. Then we have to get rid of these problems and we have to find out the way through which we can sort out these types of the problem. From morning to the evening, we have to do a loads of different kinds of activities through which we manage our needs. But in the evening or after doing 4 or 5 hours of such work, we become very tired. It is not the matter कि we do hard work, we do simple work, we do mental work, we do physical work. All the people do different types of the work, and a people can do both of the works, both of the different types of the work, mental and physical. But some become very tired. What is the reason? So that the secret and things which we do every day, we can survive the healthy and energetic life we can lead. Also, we can survive a healthy and energetic life for a long time. Then, so today I want to discuss over it. First, we should know that our body contains nearly 75% of water. So, there is a need of water in proper amount in our body. So, it is advised we should take enough water every day. Water means that that is not polluted. It should be fresh. It should be filtered. Mineral water are not possible for all of us. The person who is belonging to rural areas, mineral waters or filtered waters are not possible. But what they do? What can they do? They should do it. Store the sufficient amount of water in a container and leave it for some time, so that the physical content or impurities go and settle down at the bottom of container. Then they should use it. Second thing which is also needful is that do some physical activity. Physical activity doesn't mean only to do some physical exercise. If we are having the small garden, then we should spend some time in garden by digging, by planting, by watering, by plucking also unwanted impurities to remove from there. If we are not having the garden, we should do some physical activity at our home, like washing the cloth, cleaning the surface, washing the surface, arranging the things in its proper way, and many more like this. We should also take balanced diet. Balanced diet means the diet which our body require and from which we get enough amount of calories, minerals, fibers, and a few more like this. We should add some seasonal fruits, green vegetables, a little amount of milk, bread, pulse, and a few more like this. Weight gram, if you take in the morning along with some jaggery, is also a good thing. Do some physical exercise which we can do. Not tough. We must not do that types of exercise which create problem for me, like problem in our neck, problem in our hand, knee, and something like this. Positive thinking is also necessary to live healthy life. Positive thinking means we must not think negative to others. We must not think to do any harm to others. We should always think positive. If somebody want to make harm us, then we should think positive about them. As far as possible, we should try to manage it and try to convince them positively. They should not do so. This is not a good thing. This is not fair, legal. And by using these some words, we should convince them. Proper and sound sleeping is also the way to living healthy and energetic life. Nowadays, our going to time to go to bed and get up from the bed is not fixed. It is also the major factor to not living the healthy and energetic life. Sound sleeping and the fixation of time to go to bed and get up from the bed is also needful. We should take care of it. We should love our life. We should love our body. We should take care of it. We must not allow unwanted things entering in our life. Here unwanted things means smoking, drinking, or taking alcohol, etc. These things, when entered in our life, begin to spoil our life gradually. At the very beginning, we feel happy, but on the long run, it creates major hindrance for us. So we should be very cautious. We should be very careful about the entry of these things in our life. If we change something in our lifestyle, like not too much eating, avoid spicy and highly edible things, get up early in the morning, do some physical activity either at home or outside the home, positive thinking, sound sleeping, taking enough water, and we know the demand of our body. We must not cross the limit. Either we carry a heavy load of our family, but do everything gradually and don't cross the limit. What our body can bear, we should always live within that boundary. I think you will be having some idea to lead healthy and energetic life, which are really a needful things, especially for today's, because there is a major chance of attacks of different kinds of viruses and we have to protect ourselves from the viruses. This is the best way, this is the cheapest way. If we follow these things, definitely we not only protect ourselves but also our dears and nears and our neighbors. If you like this video, please subscribe it by pushing the bell button so that my next video will reach you first. Thank you.